welcome back. Episode 2. We're starting off with something a little different. As you can see, I'm sitting in this Z06 today. And being 6'5", I've got a lot of leg room in here. It's a beautiful driving machine. I feel a little low, but that's probably because if you come inside and take a look next to me, there's nothing on the inside of this car. Obviously, Justin took apart all of the interior for us the other day. I'm gonna show you guys the level of disassembly we do for some of these cars. Now, in this particular case, we are doing a full interior, so we pulled every single part out of the inside of this Z06, stripping it down, basically the bare chassis with the gauge cluster still in there. So if you follow me over to the carpet, I'll show you guys what all of these parts look like. We're going to have done an Alcantara custom stitch, custom colors. We're taking it all over to the interior shop. We're hoping to show you guys some of that process for the first time. We've done full interiors in the past, but we've never been able to capture the interior actually being done or stitched. So I'm excited to show you guys what that will look like while we're doing them. You are looking at everything here that will make this Z06 not only epic from the outside, but from the inside too. And I always feel like the owner of the car should have a great experience inside of the car because we don't get to see the outside of the car while we're driving it. So we're gonna load these things up into the truck today, get them to the interior shop, and get working on the final product. All right guys, so here we are, we're at the interior shop. We have everything together for our customer wide body build that we walked through at the shop. Justin and I are gonna unload the truck, get all the parts inside, go over our design plan that we're gonna keep quiet for now, and then we'll actually capture some of Sherry working on these parts and then show you guys as they get complete how beautiful they are going to turn out. So let's get these inside. So we got everything wrapped up and we're gonna come back next week, choose the proper thread, make sure we have all of our combinations set up the way that we want. I'm excited, it's the first time you guys will be able to see some of this process happen, which will take probably 2 to 3 weeks to get start to finish.
To get the look that we are after on this particular project, every single piece of this will have to be taken apart, individually wrapped, contoured, and stitched, and then re-put together. To show you the complexity of it, this gives you an idea of what we're going to be working with. So you have this top piece here that's all welded together, plastic weld, and that's going to come apart. So each one of these wires and brackets and pieces have to come off, be individually wrapped, and then we have to do the reverse process by putting it all back together. And then we will have the French seaming here on all the areas where you have the French seaming. We'll do the top stitch, and then there's a really nice decorative pattern in here, and we will be duplicating this pattern as well.
So we've got a delivery back into the shop today after a long few weeks, and I happen to be sitting in part of it. You're looking at it, guys. This is a 33-piece full Alcantara custom stitched interior for our next OPSIS Widebody. Now, not every client opts for this package for the car. This is an optional part of the build. So when we do give out these build sheets and we spec them with the client, we do have options for interior. We don't have to do full interiors, we can do parts of it. As you can see here, if we want to take everything apart and make it fully custom for the customer, that's what we will do. Now, what I really like about this is that when you walk up on it, you're not necessarily going to know that it's not a factory interior because of the Alcantara, other than we have it on every single panel, which GM does not offer. But we did do the orange stripe on this, which is the contrast color on the rest of this car, which I think is really gonna pop. Obviously, you see the seats done as well with the orange pass-throughs. More to show you of that in the future, along with the Alcantara bottoms that cover that plastic and just make the seat look a lot more rich. Our door panels, we have a accent panel in gray that will look really cool with the seats when we open the door. Also the carbon fiber on there looks awesome. Our custom floor mats, the speaker grills, the whole center console, the steering wheel surround all of it. So Justin's gonna start putting some of this interior in today back in his bay. Once we get that to a certain point, we'll be able to pop the seats in and get the car back down on the ground so we can continue on with this Project OPSIS build. All right, so we're getting the interior put back in the car. We have the dash, the center console, some of the trim pieces. But right now, Justin and I are going to work towards getting these seats installed. So we're really happy with how these came out. We did something a little different on these. We kept the factory bolstering in the gray. And then we obviously did our accent color orange on the back, which I think looks really good, and through the pass-throughs, including obviously our full Alcantara and label stitched headrest. Also, if you come around to the side here, I want to show you. So GM used to make these in gloss black. They looked nice. Now they've reverted to plastic, which look really ugly. So we always strip these down and also do the matching charcoal Alcantara suede going right into the seat. So overall, I think there's a lot of great contrast on the seat, and on a convertible, we'll really make a statement when the top's down. So Justin and I are gonna get them in the car, bolted in, and keep moving on the interior pieces. All right guys, so we do have the seats in the car. We have the dash, we have the door panels along with some other trim components inside here. What we're going to do is in the next episode, as we finalize putting all of this stuff back in, I'm going to put the seat belts in. We have a lot more of the trim components to put in, the back side of the seats, and also the halo for the convertible top. But as you guys can see, this stuff looks really good with our calipers, the carbon fiber trim, that two-tone on the seat. I think it's really gonna pop once the car's all put back together. Justin's gonna finish wrapping the hatch of this. Once that hatch is done, we're gonna get the car back down on the ground. That's when we'll do all of our final assembly on the interior. And then we're getting close to showing it to the client. So stay tuned guys, wait till you see this all come together.